Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how to use UPBASE for environmental project management. The first step is to create a new project in UPBASE. This is the foundation of your work, where you'll manage tasks, teams, and timelines. Creating a project is crucial because it sets the stage for all your future actions within the platform. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your team members. You can do this by navigating to the Team tab and clicking on Add Members. This step is important because collaboration is key in project management, and UPBASE makes it easy to involve everyone in the process. Next up is setting up your tasks. Click on the Tasks tab and start adding each task related to your environmental project. This helps us because it allows you to break down your project into manageable parts, making it easier to track progress and identify potential bottlenecks. Now, let's talk about the timeline feature. Here, you can set deadlines for each task and monitor their progress in real time. The reason we do this is to ensure that everything stays on track and to avoid any unexpected delays that can derail your project. Lastly, don't forget to use UPBASE's unique environmental metrics feature. This allows you to input data about your project's environmental impact, such as carbon emissions and resource consumption. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These metrics are automatically analyzed and visualized, providing valuable insights for your project's sustainability goals. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use UPBASE for managing your environmental projects. Remember, the key is to leverage the platform's features to stay organized, collaborate effectively, and achieve your environmental objectives. Until next time, keep making a difference with your projects.